So we got called out on a recovery for a JK that was rolled up in Manala South, just close to Ephraim. Come to find out, it wasn't rolled, it just slid into a tree, but it snapped the steering linkage. So Johnny's off-road recovery, or Johnny's off-road adventure, and myself and Jenny are going out to get it off the mountain tonight. There's a storm coming in. We're hoping to get it done before then.
So we are about 30 minutes out.
I drove off in that damn ditch.
From where we're at.
And it says 30 minutes, but it's only like 5 miles.
Yeah.
Might be 30 minutes for mere mortals. Oh my God, the mud. I just saw it fling up and hit the hood.
So.
Look at that. Look at it. And I'm taking my Jeep to Johnny tomorrow to wash.
This is a pretty rutted out road.
Yeah, we might have done up sway bars for this one.
It's a bumpy one.
Oh my God. We're down to 15 PSI. Damn, do we need to go lower?
So. Found the mud. So Google was trying to take us on an ATV trail.
50-inch trail.
So we had to kind of reroute, and we're on the Beaver Creek Road, which is quite
beavery.
Dirty.
I see something. I see lights.
Oh yeah, we see your lights now.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right,
So, here's our gentleman that got it up here.
how's it going?
Here's our gentleman that cowboyed it off the hill.
So how? This don't look very rolled.
No, it's you get a bright enough light. You can see the trail. So the trail's over here, the main trail, and that's where he came down. Straight through.
Yeah, he busted through those trees and came that way.
What happened is he hit a tree hard on that right side on the tire, and the shaft that comes down from the gearbox popped completely the fuck off. It snapped.
Is that?
That's what they screamed the whole way to the bottom.
Yeah, that's what I said.
There's the pitman arm.
Oh.
It took it just right the hell off, and then it took the fender and everything and mirror off the other side.
See what the damage is on this side.
Brad, come here with that light. Yeah.
Oh boy. Yikes.
It was them, Vernon. Vernon's search and rescue buddy.
Yeah.
This was who they came and rescued last night.
Ah.
They rescued their whole group.
Egg.
Yeah, we took the fender off the rest of the way. We took the drag link off the rest of the way. So, nothing to fight us.
I'm like, I'd rather shut them off one by one than goddamn take a truck up here.
Oh, and
So Jenny.
Yeah.
Andy's.
Yeah.
The 6 or 7 people.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was them.
Yeah, that's what Johnny was saying.
We walked all the way down the canyon last night.
So search and rescue come got you.
Well, we had him go up to our grandpa first. Me and him were like, we don't need to be rescued. We'll go down to the bottom and then we can
Fair
get a
enough.
ride, you know? F that, we're fine. And,
Fair enough. I mean,
yeah, we're fine, okay? It was my grandpa, but anyways, we were thinking about, that was our plan, was to go down to that camp. The camp's at the bottom, and hitch a ride all the way back, grab some quads, and get the f back up here to grab everybody.
Yeah.
And my mom freaked out, and my uncle freaked out, and my grandpa is sitting up here alone, and everybody was worried, and me and him were like, fucking, let's just, we got a plan. Let's just get going, and yep, everything got.
Yeah, it's always better safe than sorry, but I guarantee you your grandfather would probably been just fine.
Exactly. Oh, 100%. We would have made
He's
his
probably
grumpy
tougher
ass.
than all of us anyway.
We would have made his grumpy ass sit up here for a couple hours first.
I'm asking Vernon if these ropes are okay, because I know he's not Mark.
They're not Yankums.
Yeah, he knew damn well what he was doing. He had his own keys from his own truck in his pocket, and he took my buddy's truck. And broke the CV axle. Popped it, no four-wheel drive.
We had to leave the truck overnight, so that's why we walked all the way down.
Yeah, we actually just brought the truck back down today, and then you guys are here, and now we're doing this one.
Okay, well.
So if it runs, then somebody can just, you got a handheld, mine's almost dead.
I got a handheld.
So somebody can just be in the Jeep, the JK, and work the brakes. The way he's got it hooked up, it should just steer itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, there is some steering for us.
Yeah, no.
It ain't going.
Bluetooth steering. This is
Yeah,
a SEMA truck.
That's about as good as you can get right there.
Sick.
That
Turn
switchbacks and shit down here are going to be tricky with those trees.
I know. I know.
You're gonna have
That's
a lot
gonna
of
be-
fun, John.
That's going to be the hard part.
Fucking.
Yeah, I stuck it in the ignition, so it didn't get lost.
What?
Does it need to be on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll
Yeah.
need to be on and
It'll need
running
to be
so we can
full
have
running.
Yeah.
So you got power
brakes.
You got Bluetooth?
Fucking can't wait.
Just
The music.
if it makes you feel better, go ahead.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna spin the fucker in circles and just see how it feels.
Well, I guarantee you're going to try to steer at least once.
Oh, dude, I will. I'm butthole puckered and everything trying to fucking turn.
Look at they going.
Shit.
If it looks like you're going to go into anything, just stand on the brakes.
Yep.
Hey, Johnny from Johnny's Off-Road Adventures.
Back upstairs.
What's going on over there?
I don't know. Put a new antenna on it today, and now I'm having issues.
Double record.
This antenna you guys all highly recommend.
I don't have that antenna, just saying.
Oh, record the recorder.
Alright, are you ready back there? Yes, sir.
The recovery begins. Tires are gonna be a problem, aren't they?
Why?
Because they're faced that way right now. There it goes. Yeah, see.
Stop, Johnny. Is the tie rod jacked up on that thing, or is it just the steering?
It's just the steering. I don't know. The way that it popped just barely made me think something different. Hold on.
Johnny, back up and let tension off the rope.
Yeah, every time we hit rocks, the tires do this shit. I'm watching them in the camera.
Alright, I'm going backwards, see if we can get him back up on the thing.
Ready for reverse whenever you are.
I'm already moving, homie.
Well, it is 1:30 and it's starting to come down. But it looks like we're slowly making our way down, so we'll update you when we get a little closer to the bottom.
We've got him hooked up with the dead man pull. Johnny is just dragging him out. The Jeep runs, it's got brakes, so we're just basically steering it out with Johnny's Jeep. Oh, it is starting to rain. It's cold. It's 55 degrees up here and raining and lots of mud. So the battle's not over yet, but it appears that we're currently winning.
I got pulled off, Vernon.
Is that a ditch to the left? Or what is it over there?
Kind of just a field.
Gage, what do you got over there?
Looks like a ditch to me, but it looks like it levels out. So if he can somehow pull himself up to the right and hang to the right, he might be able to pull me up and out of it, but it's pretty gnarly angle from where I'm at.
I'm actually sliding into you sideways right here.
Can you pull back up?
You want me to just give it hell and try it? Might as well. Put it in four-wheel drive. I know you don't have a whole lot, but put it in four-wheel drive to go with me. It's in. I've got locker on too on the rear, so I'll try and give her hell. Just steer me in the right direction. All right, 3, 2, 1.
You need to hook back up.
I'm pulling off the
I'm
side.
off the hill.
Hang tight, Johnny.
Oh, I am.
Don't eat shit.
That's fucking close. I don't know, Vernon. This shit's getting bad fast.
I was just sliding down the hill, just sitting here.
I know.
It's the only thing we can do is redirect him back up.
Yep.
Yeah.
You can go back to the double pull.
If I know, because he's going to drag me all over the place.
Yeah, I know. He's starting to drag me all over the place, as you saw. So.
Yeah, this stuff's no joke. It's
No,
thick.
no, this thing happened faster than.
Shit, huh?
Like I said, just sitting there beside him, I was sliding down the hill into him.
It's only going to get worse, too. Here on out.
What's in front of him?
Nothing.
Nothing. He's just going to keep on sliding if we can.
Yeah, until we get him back
on
up.
the road.
Yeah.
I mean, ultimately, we could just back him down in this little grassy area and.
Leave him.
Yeah,
That's probably the best option, to be honest with everybody.
yeah.
So we are not winning. And it's starting to really downpour, so I believe we're gonna unhook, park the Jeep here in the field, and the Gladiators are gonna head out.
Hey guys, we got it out of the worst part of where it was, but we got caught in this rainstorm. We're still up here on the mountain and it's slick as hell. We've got the JK in a spot. We're unhooking and leaving it just so we can make sure we get off the mountain. And we'll probably have to have some people come back.
Alright, round two. We're headed back to Ephraim for the yellow JK with the broken steering link. This time we're going to try to see if we can get it off the mountain and to their cabin so they can do the repairs on it. I thought we were going to have a dolly, but apparently no dolly. So we're going to have to dead man the thing out. We'll update you when we get there. It's starting to sprinkle.
I think it's worse now than it was last week. Lightning, downpours.
No muck boots, no jacket, nothing. Of course it's gonna be worse.
What?
I said, of course it's gonna be worse.
I'm going home.
Some time later.
Nothing back here, we're good to go.
Corbin, do you have room to get by me?
Yep.
Off the camera.
Get it. Stay in it. Ooh. Stay in it, bud. Stay in it. Stay in it. There you go. Atta boy. There we go. Uh-huh. Oh, I know. What an ass, though.
Sweet.
Alright.
Y'all are stopping at the cabin then, I'm assuming.
Yeah, we're gonna start lock stuff up real fast.
Then y'all will probably pass us while we're in Gunnison.
Hopefully. We'll be good.
Appreciate you.
Thank you guys so much.
As long as it's on the road, we can get home.
Yeah.
That's how
Now, we've got all the tools for on the road, but it's so good meeting you.
Good meeting you. Thank you.
Thank you guys.